Hello, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
In chip making, every slice matters. Uniform thickness means even cooking, perfect crunch, and consistent flavor. High-speed drums like this one cut each potato in fractions of a second, delivering a
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are made, from start to finish.